All right, welcome to the package stage weekly retro, and we will jump into the topics today. So what went not so well, and how can we do better? And for the first one, it was myself. So I learned a little bit about working with having access for contractors, and when a contract doesn't get renewed as quickly as we thought it might, we have an alternative to where we can continue having them work if they fork the repo and contribute like a community member does. And I will use that in the future if it happens again. So thank you, David, for talking me through that, and we'll mitigate that quicker next time. And then the next one, I need to figure out how to change my Geekbot stand-up time to be earlier, as I prefer to do it right when I start my day, and it comes a couple hours later, and I just lose track of getting to doing the stand-up a few times this week. So if anyone knows how to do that, I haven't Googled it and solved it myself, but that's on my to-do list, and just acknowledging I'm a little slower on stand-ups for that reason. Haley, you want to go next?
Yeah, so I'm just not up to speed after getting back from leave. And on to what went well, looking into the ally stuff in order to get for Michelle. It was interesting looking at stuff that I'm normally not keeping as close of an eye on. On to David.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, I was playing this week on a problem about CI job artifacts uploads, which can be very large files, and well, reviewing DMR, I had an idea to simplify it by a substantial amount. And I just tried it locally, and it worked. So I created an MR with a proposal for the original MR. So we'll see how it goes. Over to Dima.
This week, I think 2 security fixes were released, included. So that's nice. Also, thanks, David, for the interesting session about Kibana visualization. Also, performance fix for PyPy metadata endpoint showed a nice drop of database request count. Yeah, we went significantly down. So yeah, that's great.
That'll help our error budget reporting. So I'm very excited to get that one done. So thank you both.
Sure. On to Carrie.
Yep. So we actually were able to grow the package registry team from 2 to 4 last week officially, and we're working on growing to a 5th with the job openings to be growing to 6 once we find the next candidate. So excited to see the team growing after the split. And then we have some fun memes. I think we don't record that, so I'll stop. Thanks all for attending our weekly retro.